Welcome to the SeattleU Lemieux Library and McGoldrick Learning Commons Guide for group study room use. If you plan on using the audio-video systems, the first thing you'll want to do is turn on the power using the console. Next, make sure the TV is also on by pressing Display On. On the right side of the console is a cabinet containing a computer. Pull out the keyboard and mouse, make sure the computer is powered on, and choose PC on the console. Then, go ahead and log in with your SU username and password. On the left side of the console is a cabinet containing a Blu-ray, DVD, and VCR player. Make sure they are powered on and you have chosen the corresponding source. Blu-ray for the Blu-ray player, DVD VCR for the DVD VCR player. If you have brought a laptop, you can plug it in using the VGA or HDMI ports located left of the console. Be sure to choose either HDMI or VGA on the console, depending on which you bring. The library does not supply these cables, so please bring your own. There are other plugs on the left side of the console, including USB for the PC, USB to charge your portable devices, an outlet, and an Ethernet port. If the sound from any of these systems is too loud or not needed, you can mute the system on the console, or simply control the volume using the knob. After you've finished with the room, please power down all items, put them back in their cabinets, and clean up after yourself. Remember, not all group study rooms contain the same audio-video equipment. If you have any questions or if any of the systems do not seem to be working, please call the library tech support office. Thank you very much and enjoy your study time.